Because he wanted
right?
He wanted to become a pilot after he wanted to become a dentist. Kung nagdentista ka at nagpiloto ka, Diyos ko, mas marami anak mo. Pero hindi na kaya magpiloto kasi hindi pwedeng colorblind. So I knew that he had to see real colors now. The point is, how do you know when red is red or pink is pink when you've never really seen the real colors, diba?
Yeah.
And we don't know the colors you're actually
You can relate to that. One thing is for sure, when you wear this, you see a lot of colors, right? And when you see your wife, you see a very colorful life.
Parang pag ako sinasabi, it's okay when you talk to the gentleman, but when you talk to me like that, parang nakikita mo sa akin Teletubbies.
Teletubbies?
O kaya Power Rangers.
Because yung colors, di ba?
Many colors. Hindi na ako kamukhang Barney ngayon. Nung araw, ako nagpa-purple, mahirap na eh.
That's purple.
Baka pagkamalan akong dinosaur nung araw. Laki-laki ko. Ngayon, pwede na ako mag-violet.
Hindi, pero sa totoo lang, kaya ako sinuot ito. Because I would like to see you clearly. Oh, di ba?
Gabriel, stop it. Okay.
Love mo ba ako?
Kanina ka pa. Kanina ka. Ang hilig mag-fish niyan tonight. Tanong lang tanong, you love me pa? Ayan.
Okay guys, ganito lang.
Tanong.
Ganito lang. Kanina pa sinasabi na I wanted to watch her sing, right? So we have